Welcome to xtremereviewer. Featured products info. Cleaning the floor is very important to keep your place neat and tidy. Do you find difficult or tired in cleaning or mopping your floor and squeezing in hand by bending your body? There is a solution to all your problem. This spin mop bucket can do your cleaning job quicker, easier with the extendable handle, so you don't need to bend and strain your back with this ergonomically designed mop handle, which gives you an advanced cleaning experience. Now, coming to the build quality, because quality is very important when buying a product as it should last longer. This spin mop bucket is made up with the combination of high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic material. It comes with a high-quality mop handle which can be extended according to our size needed, and it can rotate 360 degrees for easy cleaning and squeezing. The mop handle comes with a handle lock system which locks the height of the handle to secure with the required size. This spin mop comes with the microfiber cloth which has superior water absorbency quality, and it is non-abrasive and lint-free. Additionally, the spin mop set comes with a refill of the microfiber mop head for easy replacement. The spin mop is equipped with large wheels. It can be easily pulled around without much effort, which reduces physical exertion. How to use. Assemble the handle and connect the disc with the microfiber cloth. Tighten it by screwing in hand. Unlock the clip to extend the hand and can be rotated 360-degree motion. Add cleaning liquid which you use with water. Rinse the mop in water. Twist the mop to dry and start cleaning your floor. Clean your house in a hassle-free manner with this spin mop system. Think of buying this product, then click on the link given below in the description and get your spin mop set delivered to your home. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified with our new videos.